Now request the Vice Chairman of Priyadarshini Academy and Chairman of Global Insurance, Mr. Prabodh Thakkar, to propose a brief vote of thanks.
Reena, thank you. Dear wonderful audience, it is my pleasant duty to propose a vote of thanks on the 34th anniversary of Global Award function. Before I perform on my assigned duty, I would like to ask a question. Whether it's my only, proposing a vote of thanks, is it my only privilege, or would you like to be partner of this? I would suggest, and I believe, and Nitin Gadkari साहब ने भी यही कहा है कि अच्छी चीज की कभी कभी कोई रिवॉर्ड नहीं है और गलत चीज का कोई पनिशमेंट नहीं है. That society, I think, cannot take, that kind of a concept cannot take us anywhere. So if we want to enjoy wonderful thing, wonderful achievement, wonderful results, wonderful event like this, we must, each one of us must thank, and there is never enough words, there is not enough method to thank. The best way is, I am not capable enough to thank, so I would like and invite each one of you to please join me in this little exercise. So, first of all, I wish to thank our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, and a guest of honor, Mr. Piyush Goyal, who's left, Mr. Suresh Prabhu, who gave his brief message, and he could not attend it. So, thank you very much, Sir Gadkari Saab, for your presence here. आप सारे देश की चिंता करते हैं, बहुत काम करते हैं, and we are very proud of you that we are part of Priyadarshini Academy. I would also like to thank all my colleagues on the dais. Your presence makes this function more wonderful and colorful. Each one of you, we really appreciate your presence here. We are also happy that the awardees who have accepted our request to receive the award and come from far and wide for this function. Their presence is a great boost to Academy and today's function. My very, very special thanks also to Dr. Mashalkar and his team for their efforts in selecting each awardees through a very professional and a very, very transparent process, which is very time-consuming and a delicate work. This is never easy to select few and leave out another. So there is always another opportunity. Perhaps we will have a very big list and he would have a tough task. So maybe on the 31st anniversary, we will have another list. We are grateful to all who have responded to our invitation to grace this glorious function, and thanks specifically the guests who have accompanied the awardees. We are thankful to the print and electronic media for covering this event. No words of appreciation and gratitude will be enough for our sponsors who have spontaneously given their support not only to this function but every activity of the Academy throughout the year. Hiranandani Group, Mahindra, MIT, Finolex Cable, GIC Re, Free Press, Indian Express are few names I would like to mention and thank each one of them. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give your, you can express through the clapping. This function was made possible by collective efforts of many agencies. I specifically wish to convey my sincere thanks to the management and the staff of the Trident Hotel. Students of HR College, give them a big hand of applause, please. They have also worked very hard. I would also like to make a special mention to each and every employee and a staff member of Priyadarshini Academy. They are not seen here, but they work very hard behind the scene and they put a lot of efforts for months and years together. The beautiful trophies for the awardees were designed and prepared by Glass Vision Private Limited. In appreciation of this splendid work, I request Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Gadkari to kindly present a bouquet to Mr. Piyush Patel, please. Is he here, Mr. Patel? Yes, please. Gentlemen and ladies, today's function was presented in a very pleasant and a fluent manner by the master of ceremony, none other than our Reena Rupani. We are grateful to her. She's a very methodical person. She takes every task very seriously and put her 100%. Give a big round of applause to Reena. And may I request once again, sir, our chief guest, Mr. Gadkari, to kindly present a bouquet to her, please. Reena, thank you very much. So, thank you, wonderful audience. And with this, may I once again request each one of you to please stand up for national anthem, please. Thank you.